Hello mates, I'm recording from Monterrey, Nuevo León, Mexico. This time we'll see how to make cobblestone material in V-Ray Next for 3ds Max using the displacement method. This is the easiest way to create realistic textures within Max, using the power of V-Ray and PBR textures. Okay, let's start. The first thing you should do is create a plane and select it. You may light up and fix the scene as you like. Open the material editor and create a new V-Ray material. Double click on it to edit. Click on the fuse button, bitmap, and select the diffuse image of the material. Scroll down and click on Maps. Click on the pump button, bitmap, and select the normal image of the material. Give it a value of 35. Let's go down and in displays, give it a value of 1. Click on the button, bitmap, and select the image for displays. Make sure the material is selected and click on Assign Material to Selection. Also click on Show Shadow Material in Viewport. Now we just need to give map coordinates to the plane. With the plane selected, click on Modifiers, UV Coordinates, UVW Map. In the parameters, disable Real World Map Size and change these values to 5 and 5. Okay, let's keep a test render to see how the material looks like in the scene. The material looks very flat. We must modify the display's value. Open the material editor and change the display's value. But first, in bump, let's give it a 50. And in displays, let's give it a 5. Let's render again. Now the material looks a lot better. I see more geometry and can notice the joints between stone and stone. You can give more value to the displacement if you want, but be careful with the value, or you can create troubles in the scene. The next step is to make this exercise by yourself using the cobblestone textures you can download for free in X3D Raw. Bye!